Hi, my name is Valerie, your distribution manager for HUAWEI eKit South Africa. Are you tired of wasting time and resources juggling multiple apps? Today I have just what you need, an all-in-one app. Meet our HUAWEI eKit app, your all-in-one digital toolkit for deployment, operations, and management. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how to do the deployment. We have two ways of deployment, which is Wi-Fi scanning, and the other one is QR code scanning. So today, I'll be showing you how to do the QR code scanning. I have the S380 and the 371. Okay, so at the bottom of your screen, you'll see there's icons there. You're gonna choose service. After service, you click the plus sign. There's gonna show you two options, which is deployment or create a projects group, and we're choosing deployments. And again, it shows you which products are you currently deploying. It's either data storage, mini FTTO, or SME networking. And now we're doing SME networking, and then you click next. Then it gives you a few options, which is Wi-Fi deployment or the deployment by QR code. And you're choosing deployment by QR code. So now here you have to add your project configuration. Project scenario. You can choose whether if you're doing an enterprise office, a hotel, education, commercial store, or even a public administrator. And now we're going to choose enterprise office. Then you click save. On the project name, you can give your project now a name depending on what project you're currently working on. And in this instance, we can just choose HUAWEI projects. And then you add the password. Then you click OK. Once you've loaded that, and it's going to start to prompt you to scan. Okay, now you can start with the gateway. So we're going to scan the gateway. So every device will have a QR code at the back of the device. And now we can just scan the gateway. Then you click finish. And then you click next. Remember, you don't have to scan all the devices. Once you scan the gateway, it will be able to find all the other devices that are connected to the gateway. So here, as you can see, it shows you all the devices that are offline and what devices are online. So while we wait for it to onboard, did you know that all our products come with a 3 years warranty? Isn't that awesome? See, just like that, it's onboarded. Doesn't take too long, just a minute. So now, as you'll see, it's showing online. What you can do is just refresh and then see all the other devices connected to the gateway. As you can see, it's discovered the AP371. Then you can just click add now, and just like that, it's gonna onboard the other one. Then you click finish. Once it's finished, it's gonna show you everything that it's connected to your device. If you click on your topology, you'll be able to see whatever that's connected. So as you can see, we're finding our gateway, and on the next tab, that's our router. And if you wanna view your topology, you can just go back and click the other one. Here is an outline of your topology. So you'll see you'll have your AP connected as well as the gateway. So to create your SSID, you can go to Wi-Fi management. And under Wi-Fi management, you can just click that plus sign and it'll prompt you. You can create your SSID or encrypt it. It's up to you whether you want to encrypt it or not. You can hide or unhide apps. And you can find many more, how to create a VLAN, how to see the download speed and upload speed. And just like that, it's a wrap. And you can also view on the app on how to do the virtual deployment. And if you're a business looking to enhance your digital infrastructure, eKit is definitely what you're looking for. Now you can scan to download the QR code below. And thank you for watching. Be on the lookout for more exciting videos. Till next time, scan to download.